Okay, so you just type dynamic CRM trial. Okay, you go here, free trial Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, you go here, then you click here, get started. So I will create for both of you. Okay, you already have a subscription through work because okay, your organization manager. Okay, create a new account. Sign out of. So let me have I okay, let me sign it out. Okay, because I've already created one account today only. So now let me try. Okay, get started. Uh, right? Am I right, Jolanta? This is your surname? No, no, no. Oh, okay, okay, okay. This one instead of Y, it would be U. Yeah. Okay. Is it right now? Okay. So your email address. Tell me your email address. No, no, email address. Okay, 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 okay. Uh-huh. Tango. Is it right? Okay. Give me your phone number. 0757 023 7961. Okay. Company name, say example, Jolanta Trading. So you have a company, you have 5 to 9 people. Next. So your username would be Jolanta. Uh, company is trading. Yep. Uh, Jolanta. Okay, maybe it's too complicated. Becomes too complicated. Jolanta and Jolanta at Jolanta Trading. Okay, let's say yes, it has accepted. Password. Give me any password. That's fine because this is nothing. Because you will play with this anyway. It is only for 2 months. Just give me password. Any password. Tell me what password you want to use. Okay. No, no, no. Make it easier. Make it easier. Microsoft is complicated name, isn't it? Make it easier. Okay. Okay, you want to make it Microsoft. Okay, Micro Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft then. Okay, 98. Microsoft 198. Okay. It doesn't accept. Your password must be, so you need to have one capital, one number, one this what is called this symbols. Okay. So at, oh, it has accepted. So Microsoft 198 at, okay, without any capital, every all lowercase. Microsoft 198 at. Okay, so please write it down. Okay, they will contact you. They will let you know everything by email. Yeah, they will let you know everything by email. So create my account. Okay, so this is 444. Give me your number again. 07 57 023 79 61. You will receive a text now. You need to give me that the passcode. They will send you a passcode now. Okay. Is your mobile with you? Hello, Julanta. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I will. Okay, you have your mobile phone. So they have sent you a number. Can you please give me that number? Okay. Why? They should send you straight away. Okay, okay. 025483. 025 483, right? Okay. Okay. So it's ready. So I will send you this information. Is you need to keep this information with you until this course, and if it is expires before that, you can in this the same way you can open another account. Okay, but with different username and password. Uh, where is the email? Okay, so let's Dynamic CRM. Okay. Yeah. You should have received already by email. Yeah. Okay. Uh, so when you click setup, no, you don't have to. You don't have to. I'm doing it for you. I'll let you know what you have to do. Okay. You see, Ruthira, you see here, it is asking select which scenario fits you best. So maybe you have selected only sales and customer service. Okay. So that is why somehow the marketing one is missed, but I don't know where is marketing one here as well. But if you click this, all of these, okay, all of these, then all of them will be selected, and that's it, and complete setup. Okay. Now we are in Julanta's Dynamic CRM. Okay. It will be it, although it says your dynamic systems, but you can also you can ask for another 30 days as well if you email Microsoft support. Okay. They will extend it for another 1 month. You will say that you still you are learning, you still you want to you are trying this application, so they can extend it for another 1 month. Okay, so this is how it works. Ruthira, I think now you have you know how to do it. It's very easy. So and also the recording will be sent to you, so you will be able to do that on your own. Okay, you have done it, but I'm just saying in case you need it. Okay, so we will work on Jolanta's one today. But for your information, Jolanta, when you next time when you open, what you have to do, I will show you. You see here, you need to go to on this page, portaloffice.com. Okay, so you need to click on this URL. Then it will ask you username and password. So you will enter username is this. Okay, this is your username and password is what you have given me, Microsoft, all lowercase, Microsoft 198, and at the end at. Okay, so that is your password. So it's easy. You just click on this on portaloffice.com, then enter your username and password, then it's done. Okay. 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 So today we'll last time what we have done. Last time we talked about leads, but do you understand now what is lead? Tell me what is lead, Ruthira. Tell me. Yeah, anybody can tell me what. Mhm. Yes. Yes. Very good. It's a potential customer. Yes. It's a potential customer, but it's not a customer. They haven't done any business yet. Both of you are right. Yes, good. So the next thing is, I mean, there are some other other things like assign a lead, add an activity to a lead, qualify a lead. We have seen qualification of a lead. Let me show you. Create a new lead. I have shown you already. So assign a lead. Let me show you what does it mean. Assign a lead. This one is whose one? It's a Jolanta one. Okay. So if we go to any so because this is another account, so we will create a new lead now. So it will take only a few seconds to create a new lead. Okay. So the new lead is a new lead form. This is a form. Okay. Every time you open something, that is nothing but a form. Remember. Okay. So at the moment we are in which form? We are in lead form. Okay. So every time you see all different opportunities. So it says what you are seeing here. It says open opportunities. So all these opportunities are open. Okay. So we'll talk about opportunities today. So still you don't know what is opportunities, so just this is view. Now you have all different types of view here. You can see all opportunities, you can see closed opportunities, you can see closed opportunities in current fiscal year, you can see lost opportunities, you can see my closed opportunities in current fiscal year, and so many other things. So these are nothing but views. Different views means different things, but all are related to opportunities. So here all opportunities. So here you will see 60 opportunities, and these are all Microsoft one. Okay, 106 opportunities. Okay, but if you go to another view such as closed opportunities, you will see these opportunities are closed. Okay, 46 opportunities are closed. But if you have a look, the status of each opportunities are own, and then there is another lost, right? So we'll talk about these things. But what I want to show you today. Oh, okay. So if you open any one of these. Why it is taking too much time on my computer today? Okay, so now it should be faster. Okay. Okay. Now, so this is opportunity for. So okay, let's go back quickly. Is connection lost? No, it's okay, right? Hello? It was disconnected, right? Screen, because I have changed internet connection. That is why. Sorry. Okay. You can see my screen now. Okay. So what I'm saying is, accounts. This is nothing but views. So if I go to here, active accounts. Okay, this is the list of views. Remember always, this is, if you click this down arrow, okay, this is list of views, different views. Okay, So you have active accounts, views, etc., etc. So you can even create your own personal view, okay, which one can be viewed by you only, okay, not anybody else. So this is called personal view, okay. But this is system views. From here, from accounts to vendors, all of these are system views. System views can be viewed by anybody, okay, by your organization, but you can restrict them, okay. So example, you can restrict them only to marketing people, you can restrict them, you can only you can give you can allow only sales people to view these accounts. So something like that. But we'll talk about this later on, because we need to follow a proper structure, otherwise we'll be messing up everything. Okay, so what we are talking about, that anything you open from these views, when you open something, this is nothing but a form, okay. This is, you have to remember. So now I am opening an account form, okay, and the particular account is a datum, okay. This is a company account. Remember, account is always an organization, and contact is always an individual, okay. So we have opened an account form. This is nothing but a form. So similarly, we will go. I have clicked new to create a new lead. Okay. Off this week means from this Monday to Friday I am off. Off means from office. I've taken holiday for some reason. Now, if you want to have one or two sessions in this week, if you have time, we can do that. Okay, but let me know which date you want, which days or date when you want to do that, at what time, and I'm available, so I can go through. Okay, I can show. I can. We can have a session next Saturday, Sunday. I'm going out of London, so and I will be out of computer I will be out of internet, so I will not be able to provide any session next Sunday. So that is why I'm saying in this week we can have a session. Okay, we can have a one or two session easily. But if you are available, are you available? Okay, Tuesday and Thursday you are busy. Other days you are fine. Jolanta, are you available in this week? Which day it is? Tell me so that we can quickly fix a date. Because next Sunday I will not be available because I'm going out for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday next. Okay, so Friday, yes, Friday we can do. Yes, Friday you want, right? Friday afternoon, yeah, Friday afternoon at what time? Yeah, 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 o'clock. Yes, 4 o'clock we can do. Yeah, that's a good time. Okay, so yeah, okay, so next session, or instead of Sunday, will take place Friday 4 o'clock. Okay, I will send a invite as well as Google reminder. Okay, good. Okay, okay, so now, so I'm creating a new lead and is nothing but a form, as I said. Okay, so there are, only remember that you have to, in order to save this record, this is also a record. Okay, you are creating a new record. So and these asterisks, this star is called asterisk. So these asterisks field, these are all field. Okay, what you can see here, So business phone, mobile phone, email, right? All of these are fields. Then if you go down, you will see other fields: company, website, address. Okay, go down, details, description, industry, annual revenue, number of employees, etc., etc. So these are all fields, as I've discussed earlier. But not everything you have to fill out. You have to fill out only mandatory, okay, just for now. But when you will work in a business, when you will work for an organization, you may have to fill out as many information as it is possible, because that will give a company a better picture for a customer, or about a customer, right? So you have to enter as much as information you can have. But for now, we will do only the mandatory one, because we don't have time that much to fill everything, because there is no point of typing that, because that is everybody can do, just typing, nothing else. So topic is means lead is a potential customer, right? It's not a customer. So topic would be here, that for what this particular potential customer was interested. For what? Okay, what was the product, or what was the campaign? Okay, what was the marketing campaign where you met this potential customer? Okay, somewhere you met, right? For some reason, say example, he or she may come to your office, or he or she may come to your campaign. Okay, he or she may come to your met you on the road when you were doing something advertisement. So say anything. Say example here, that this particular new lead came to a London fair. Okay, London fair, mm, London fair of new product. Okay, 2017. Say example, that was a campaign. Okay, and name of the new lead. Okay, this is a person. Okay, so first name is ABC. Okay, last name is XYZ. Okay, so this is done. So name is given, that's it. You only need two things. Okay, and then you can see here on your right hand side in the corner, this is a save button, disk, right? So you have to click on that. Okay, and you can see it says saving. Okay, so it is being saved, so it's done. Okay, so it's saved, and as soon as it's saved, you can see the new lead disappeared, and instead of new lead, your name of the person has come up here, ABCXYZ, right? So now if you go back to sales and go to lead again from the menu, then you see in my open leads, this ABCXYZ has come up. Previously, you had only two, Microsoft one, Gabriela Kanata and Tamarsala. Okay, now you have your own as well. Okay, so this is basically how you can create a lead. Okay, and the topic you have chosen, London Fair of New Product 2017, and status reason is new, because you just created if you here, right? And also you don't know status reason, and you don't know where from this information has come. Created on. Okay, created on means this when this lead was created. So you see here, so because this is because we haven't customized our CRM yet, so it is still the standard time is calculating. Okay, 3:35. Okay, actually now is 4:35 when it was created, so 1 hour earlier. Okay, which is fine, because we didn't change it to UK time yet. Okay, so and this is the date. Okay, 4 is the other way around, so we write 0204 2017. They are writing 424 is the month, 2 is the date. Okay, and year. But all of these can be customized. Okay, so nothing to worry, everything you can customize. So but we will see when we learn customizing, we will learn that time those things. Okay, at the moment we are trying to learn what are the functionalities a CRM has, then only we will go for customization. And when we will finish customization, then we will go for development of dynamic CRM. So there are three parts in it, so we are now learning what are the functionalities it has. So okay, so when you click this new lead, where the one we have just created. Okay, Now, what we have seen, if you go to CRM session 2, create a new lead. We now know how to do it. Assign a lead. Okay. Now, what does it mean, assign a lead? Assign a lead means we are, say example, this is, if you go to owner is Jolanta, right? So I am working because it is on my computer and I have logged in as Jolanta. So assume that I'm Jolanta now. Okay, Jolanta. So it is, and I have opened a new lead. Okay, so it will automatically, next time whoever will log in, okay, uh, the lead will appear if they have created. Otherwise they will not be able to see ABCXYZ lead, because this ABCXYZ lead was created by Jolanta, so it will be appeared only on Jolanta's views. Okay, so like that. So what I'm saying now, say example, Jolanta wants to assign this new lead to somebody else. Why? Because, say example, Jolanta is going for holiday and Jolanta wants to give this lead to Ruthira to work on, to communicate to talk to ABCXYZ. Okay, so that this lead becomes a customer when Jolanta will be on holiday. Okay, so in this case, Jolanta can assign this lead to somebody else. So we will assign, so for example, and how to do it? You see here, assign. So you click here, assign. So assign at the moment by default to me. Who is me? Me is Jolanta. Okay, but you don't want to keep yourself. You want to somebody else. And as soon as you click that, you see, you click. You don't do anything. Just click. Yeah, you click. You see changes. So if I by default it will be me. Me means Jolanta. But if you click once, it will be user or team. Now, what is user and team? Means user is a single person and team consists of several person, right? Several users. So basically you want to assign somebody else. So that person could be a user, that person could be belongs to a team. So it doesn't matter, as long as you are assigning to somebody and that person could be a user, that person could be in a team. So that's fine. So but here, that person name you don't know. Okay, you have to select from a list, because for example, when you work in an organization, by that time when you will assign this lead to somebody else, the other user's name also will be in the CRM. So that is why it is showing you, this is called lookup. Lookup means like you will find, you look for people, right? So that is called lookup. So you, whenever this magnifying glass comes, this is magnifying glass, right? In order to look for something. So you click on magnifying glass, click on it, and you see Jolanta, Jolanta is coming up. Jolanta trading is coming up. Okay, look for more records, but Jolanta is already here. Jolanta is trying to assign this lead to somebody else, so obviously we will not choose Jolanta itself. So you will go for look for more records. Now the new window comes with other people names. At the moment you can see only Jolanta because there is only one user. Because as a user, as a Jolanta, you haven't created any other user, right? Okay, so you can see only your name, but you will be able to see other people name as well. You will see, I will show you. You remove this. So example, okay, this is okay, because we have to create some users, because at the moment there should be some users, but if there is none, then we have to create some users. Okay, say example, let's see something to start with A. Let's see if it comes. Yeah, so there is no name with A. Okay, so only Jolanti is user there. But what we can do, we will create a new user. As I said, we have to create a new user. So we will, because we don't have any other name, so we'll create a new user. So here is new, and you can see here, create a new record. Okay, as soon as you bring your cursor here, it shows create a new record, means you are trying to create a new user now. So click new. So add and license users, right? So now it will ask you to add new users or assign license to users for Microsoft Dynamics 365. Go to the Microsoft Office 365 admin portal. To do this, click add and license users. You must be a member of the user management administrator or global administrator role. So this one you are fine. I mean, which we can go ahead with that. But this is, again, this is functional part. This is customization part. So we'll not do now, but we'll learn it. Okay, remember, we'll do all of this. This is something called customization, so we'll not add at the moment, but just learn. This is how you will basically assign. Okay, from here user, and when there will be some users, so you will just choose like this. You see, this is how you will select. You select this and click. As soon as you will select this, you need to click add. Okay, and that's it. It will, this user will be this lead will be assigned to this person. This is how it works. Okay, but how to create an user we will show you later on. Okay, at the moment there is no user, but there should be, let me see, there should be some users. Let me quickly check. Hmm. Yes, there is no users at the moment, so we have to create. Okay, so you can see here, we same way, when if I click this, it will then ask us to go to Microsoft Dynamics 365 admin page, right? So admin portal, and we can create a new one. Let's try. Okay, let's try. I'll show you. Okay, so this is nothing but Office 365, but now you have logged into Office 365 using the same username and password. Remember, as I told you earlier, that when basically buy Office 365, okay, so Microsoft Dynamic CRM will be there nowadays automatically. Okay, they have built it. You see here, when somebody buys Office 365, all of these will be there automatically by default. Newsfeed, OneDrive, SharePoint, Project, Social Engagement, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Power Apps, Flow, Dynamics 365, and Admin. Everything is there already. Okay, so this is how Microsoft is trying to integrate everything in one from one place. Okay, so what you need to do in order to create a new user, okay, you have to go to Office 365, and Jolanta, you have to use the same username and password to access to Office 365. Okay, so now you can use Office 365 until unless your Dynamics 365 expires. Until then, you have your account with Office 365, and also you can download Word, Excel as well. But again, these are also for 2 months. Everything is for 2 months free. You can use them, but only for 2 months. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go to here admin. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to create another user. Okay, so this is the admin center of Office 365, and you can see here we don't need this. We need to add a user, right? So you can see here, add a user, delete a user, edit a user, reset a password, right? So everything you can do here. Okay, so Jolanta, you have your own password now, but you can change it from here as well. Okay, so now we'll go to add a user. We'll create a new user. So say example, let me create ABC and ASD. Okay, ASF. Display name. Okay, this username is ABC ASF. Okay, location is fine. The person will use this name to sign into Office with the most users. Okay, so now contact information, password auto generated, roles. Okay, that would be the domain. Okay, contact information. Let's see, job title, department, office, mobile number, fax number. We don't need. Country, region. Why is Mohit? Why? Okay, so we don't need this. Okay, password. Auto generate password. Okay, that's fine. Make this user change their password when they first sign in. Make this user change. Okay, okay, first time the password will be automatically generated, and there will be option to change the password. Okay, for the new person. Roles, user, no administrator access. Now remember, this is very interesting. So Jolanta now has because Jolanta has created or installed this CRM. Okay, so Jolanta has got the highest privileges. Means Jolanta can do everything until and unless Jolanta allows somebody else to do the give some until and unless Jolanta gives somebody else to do the same thing. So Jolanta by default, she is an administrator, Microsoft Dynamics 365 administrator. So she will be able to do everything. But in an organization, not everybody can see the same thing, right? On the CRM. So salespeople will be able to see only the sales part. Marketing people will be able to see only marketing part. But Jolanta, as an administrator, she should be able to see everything. So that is why it says the new user which you are creating will have no administrator access. So it means very generic user, general user. Okay, very few options she or he will be able to see this new user. Or if you want to make like you, then you can make global administrator, which is you. You are the global administrator. You can see everything. You can do everything. So if you want to make global administrator, you can, but we will keep now as just simple user. Okay, with no administrator access. Then Jolanta will have two things to test. Jolanta will be able to test herself as an administrator, and also Jolanta can play with the new user. Jolanta can log in using the new user, but with limited access. So for her, it would be nice to play with both of this person. So we'll keep this, but Jolanta, you can actually assign this new user as a global administrator as well. And also there is another option which is called customized administrator. Customized administrator is just below of global administrator. So the on top is global administrator, then is customized administrator, then is user. User does not have access so many things. Global administrator has access to everything. Customized administrator has limited functionalities he or she can customize. Okay, so there is another person, also administrator, but he or his or her, the security would be, or access would be to certain areas where this person can customize the system, customize Dynamics 365. Okay, so that kind of user also you need. So we will not give these privileges to this person. So we'll give just a normal user. Okay, product licenses. You can see here Dynamics 365 Plan 1 Enterprise Edition. Okay, so by default, when you have created or installed this Microsoft Dynamics CRM, 25 licenses are available for 2 months. Okay, 25 licenses means one license for one user. So you can create within these 2 months, you can create up to 24 users. You are number one, and you can create another 24 users. Okay, so these for 2 months you can play around with 24 people, as 24 people. Okay, so this is what does it mean license. That's it. So you have to keep this one on. Create user without product license. They may have limited or no access to system. Yeah, you don't need that. Okay, so click add. That's it. It's created. Now have a look here. The new user name, the username, new username is abcasf. Okay, and the user ID, this is the username, and this is the display name. Display name is nothing but the main the name of the person. Okay, so this is the name of the person is abcasf. The username to access Microsoft Dynamics CRM is abcasf@jolantatrading.onmicrosoft.com, and password is this one. Okay, so now if you click this send email and close, email the new password to the following recipients. But because there is no person with this email address, okay, so if I click now send email, what will happen? These detail of this person, display name, username and password will be sent to this email, but there is no email like that. So you have to enter a proper email address. So for example, give me Jolanta your email address. Then all of this information will be sent to you. Give me your email address again. Jolanta, then rtgmail.com. Okay, so so as a new user also you can access to Microsoft Dynamics CRM as a general user using this username and password. Okay. Yeah. uh, which one? The one was there here. I don't think so, because what will happen is that email address, yeah, I mean the email address will be created. Okay, email address would be created, but just one second, how you will be able to uh, to to yeah, no, I mean you are right. I mean, yes, that's the email address will be created, okay, for this person, and that email address is being used as a username. Okay, so yeah, I mean I think you are right. So we can keep that one, or we can even, because what will happen as a user, when you want to access Dynamics CRM, okay, I need to see how it works as a user to access that username. Okay, but I'm making it simple, so I'm just creating I'm just adding uh, because the email address is already here, so nothing to worry, it's already created. Okay, yeah, the email address is already created, so I'm not stopping it to creating an yeah, email address. It is already created, but what I'm doing now, that these information will send to Jolanta's email. Okay, the email address is already created, so Jolanta can try using this display name. She can try to access using this username and password. Yes, email address is created definitely, but I'm trying to now just send to this email address to Jolanta, so that Jolanta knows that how to access, nothing else. Okay. So I'm clicking here, send email and close. So the new user is created with email address and password. So you will be able to access using that. Okay. Now, so one user is created. Now, if we go back here, if you click here on your left hand side, and if you click here Dynamics 365, if you click, so we'll go back to 365. So we click, we log in again. Okay. Let me sign out and sign in again. Right, this one. Oh, Julanta, yeah, this is correct. Yeah, let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Password was Microsoft 198 at, right? Okay. We couldn't sign you in. But why? Okay. What we'll do is, don't worry. So we have to log out from here. Sign out and forget. Okay. Okay. So one. So let's see. We'll refresh the page. Yes. So because we are logged in, so that is why it was not opening again. So now you will be able to see. Now if we go back to lead, okay. Why it is okay here. Why? Um, in admin area. It's trying to open always a new session. Okay, this is my one. Okay, so okay, so we'll go back and see. MICROSOFT. Mhm. Okay, so close all browser windows. So okay, so what we'll do is we'll open a new window from here. No, not this one. So we'll use this. So at what? So MICROS. Okay, so every time it is bringing here. Okay, so if I click here, hmm, I'm trying to open our Dynamics 365. Surprisingly, it is not. Why it is not going? Okay, so if I go from here, right? So I'm in here. Okay, so I want to go to, we don't need to go to home. What happened? Okay, so signing out, sign out. Okay, okay, password is MICROSOFT198 at. Somewhere basically it is logged in. Somewhere we didn't. Uh, no, this is nothing is here. This is nothing is here. This is our. This one is maybe my one. I have to sign out. It is not, somehow it is not either recognizing or, yeah, you see here you are not member of the organization. It says Jolanta, but sign out. Okay, let me sign it out. This is nothing but sign in and sign out problem. Okay, so this is, it's not major issue, but this is somehow it is recognizing that this is already here. The user is already signed in or something like that. Okay, so who is here? Let me close all of these. This is another one. So computer is just is confused now. Who is signed in? Okay. 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 So okay. So we can close this. We can now go back to this. Open this. Okay. As I said, is nothing but MICROSO at. Sorry. Okay. Okay, everything is fine. So now it should go to, why it is automatically going here. Just hold on, guys. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, now it is okay. 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 So So now, in order to, because what we have done, we have created a new user, right? And you see here, no, this was lead. So let's go back to show you. Let me show you where you will find the new user. Okay. So you'll go, you click sales here again, drop down, you go to settings, and then you go to security. Okay. You click security. Then you go to users. Now you see there are two users, not only Jolanta, now there is another user, ABCASF. Okay. Now something is interesting. Though although I'm supposed to teach you today opportunity, but I'm just moving here and there, yeah, showing different things, and you see the time is going. So if I this is interesting. Then how would you know that ABCASF doesn't have the same privileges as Jolanta? Jolanta is the administrator. Jolanta is a boss for this Dynamics 365. ABCASF is not a boss. But how do you know that that person is not a boss? Okay, and I will show you that. But before that, and you can see here that ABCASF, this particular person belongs to under a business unit called Jolanta Trading, and Jolanta is also belongs to under business unit called Jolanta Trading. What does it mean, business unit? Business unit is nothing but an organization. Okay, remember that when we have created this account Dynamics 365 for Jolanta, we have mentioned that the organization name is Jolanta Trading. So this is the Jolanta Trading. Okay, who has own who owns this Dynamics 365. Okay, so and Jolanta is created ABCASF under the same business unit. You can have in an organization you can have 2 3 4 business unit. Okay, say example, you can create business unit not as a organization, you can create business unit as a department as well. Okay, and say example, Jolanta Trading, you can keep it as a business unit, as a whole organization, and underneath you can have so many other departments, so you can also call them business unit. Okay, but the parent business unit, the parent of those business units or department will be Jolanta Trading. Okay, so those kind of things you can do here, but again that is part of customization when we will move to the second part of this course. Now we quickly want to see that how what ABCASF, what type of access this person has. So in order to see that, I'll just quickly click. Okay, and yeah, so this is the email address. Yes, so Ruthira, you what you said, yes, the email address is created as a primary email address for this person. Okay, so these details have gone to Jolanta's email address. Okay, because she is an administrator, so she has got these details of this person. Okay, but normally what Jolanta is supposed to do is when Jolanta will create another user, Jolanta can add that person email address where this information will go, because yes, this is the new email address, but the person who will have access to it, he should have already an existing account in order to see this result, right? So that is why we sent using the Jolanta's existing account. Okay, now what I wanted to show you, I wanted to show you that this person, what type of privileges, okay, this person has. So in order to see that, what I will do, I will go to here, manage roles, and this person, this is manage roles. Now in an organization business unit, which is Jolanta Trading is the organization, under this organization there are so many people are there. Okay, by default this Microsoft has created account manager, activity leads. Although Microsoft has created them by default, but they are not active yet. Okay, so you can make active. Okay, so because you have created only one user, so it is up to you how you will be how you will be able to use these people as these people. Okay, so there are these role. It's nothing, this is nothing, this is just a role. Okay, so for example, if you want, you have created abcasf. Now abcasf, who is abcasf? This is a person. Now, what he does in this company, he's an account manager. So you can click that and click OK. So this person will have access to the CRM as an account manager, not as an administrator. Now you can say, okay, this person can be an activity feeds, just a generic user, activity feeds, just works with the activity. This person works as a CSR manager, okay, customer service relationship manager, customer service app access, customer service representative, okay, delegate, field service administrator, field service. So you can give access this person, or you can make this person as one of them. So because we said that currently it is by default a generic user, but we can give him a little bit more access. Uh, say example customer service manager, CSR manager. Here, CSR manager. Okay, this person will have access as CSR manager. Now what kind of CS, okay, let me assign it first. So this is done. Now this person as a CSR manager, okay, this person. Okay, now what type of CSR manager, what a CSR manager can do, how do you know? Okay, in this CRM, what a CSR manager can do, you don't know yet. So in order to see that, we have to go back to security, go back to here security. Okay, then you have to go here security roles. Okay, we have seen roles, we are talking about CSR manager. CSR manager is here, CSR manager. Click on that. Okay, now you can see the CSR manager role name is CSR manager, and business unit, this CSR manager belongs to business unit Julanta Trading. Now this person, as I said, we want to see what this person can do. So in order to see that, we need to click this core records. And if I click core records, then you can see entities. These are entities. I told you what is this entity. Entity is nothing but entity in a SQL server. Okay, is nothing but a SQL database. Okay, so SQL database is a table basically. Okay, so each entity has a table. So account is a business organization, right? Account, action card, another entity, action card, user settings, activity. These are all nothing but a table in SQL database. Now this person, CSR manager, what does it mean? This, you see different color and the different privileges: create, read, write, delete, append to, assign, share. Okay, so and what is this different color means? If you go down, here, so we can see that there should be an explanation. Yes, it is there, but oh, it is there, but we can't see because of, do you want to leave this, stay? We can't see that, but here can you see key? So under this key we can't see it, but there is it is written user, business unit, and this, it explains these different colors. Okay, this red, yellow, green, it explains here down here, but we can't see it because of the window screen size. Okay, but we'll come back to it. So basically this is the, and what does it mean different colors? Means this CSR manager can create an account, no, cannot create an account, but can read an account, can write, but cannot delete, can append, can append to, cannot assign, but can share. Okay, so this is what does it mean. Okay, green, when this means green means everything can be done. When it is means something like half, it means it is not fully done. Okay, something part of it is possible. So we'll come back to it when we will learn customization. Is a very big part, so we'll come back to it. So we'll close this. We'll go back to where? We'll go back to, oh, come on, go back to opportunities. So where our main discussion was started, right? So we'll go back to opportunities. So open opportunities. So now okay, Julanta. Okay, so open opportunities. We don't need to see open opportunities because we want to see what my opportunities, right? Which was created by Julanta. Is it Julanta created? Have you created anything just now? Like, I mean, have I created anything? Yeah, we have created something, but where is that? Oh, maybe it is in under new. On my new opportunities, there should be another option. Recent opportunities. We have created an opportunity or not? Or did you? We created lead. Yes, yes. No, we created user as well as lead, but not opportunity. You can see this is the lead we created today, yeah, at 3:35, which is 4:35 in our time. So this is the one. So we didn't create opportunities. That is why we couldn't see anything in opportunities. Yes. So we created lead. So now quickly go back to leads. Okay, so this is the lead we created. Now we want to make opportunity. Okay, so in order to make opportunity, what we need to say, we just need to say qualify. Okay, you need to click that. So yes, now opportunity is created. Okay, so that's the opportunity, London Fair of New Product 2017. Now, so okay, we were actually was trying to see the assign option, right? So this is the assign option, assign a lead. So we seen that how to assign a lead. Basically, you go to lead and click assign button from top, right? And then you will see the person name, right? So because we have instead of assigning lead, we have what we have just done, we have actually changed that lead to an opportunity. Okay, but we can do some other lead as well. If you go back and if we go back to another lead. Okay, so this one's example, oh come on, say example this one. Yeah, this lead is still here. Is it? It should be. Okay, just 1 second. Let me see, because this lead has changed BCXYZ. Okay, what I wanted to say, that when you click any one of them, these leads, sign, now you will see two of them, both of them. You change it to this, you look for people. Okay, now you see ABCASF is there because there are two users. so far, right? Jolanta and ABCSF. So now you can click ABCSF and assign. And now you will see that this lead, okay, now the owner of lead has changed to ABCSF instead of Jolanta. So this is what does it assign a lead to somebody else. Add an activity to a lead. Activity I shown you last time. Okay, I'm not going to show you today. Okay, basically you go here, okay, and add a task. So this is called activities. Okay, so you type all of these, okay, and click OK. There, this is called activity. So activity will be added. So something like telephone call, phone call, email, okay, whatever you want, you can make a activity, add a activity here, and then it will be shown here. Uh, then qualify a lead. Qualify lead, I already shown you that when you click this lead here, qualify, it becomes an opportunity. So that is, what does it mean? Qualify a lead. Qualify a lead means changing the lead to opportunity. Okay. So lead, and we have discussed, so these are the things last time, so I'm not talking about lead now, but do you have any question from this lead? Then we'll move to, oh, actually we don't have time, so we'll move to opportunity next week, Friday, but you can ask me any question you have now. Yeah, yeah. I couldn't hear because your voice is breaking down. Can you tell me again? Oh, you want keep them both in lead and as well as opportunity? No, it is not possible because you are changing a lead to opportunities. Why an opportunity? Why the same record will be in lead? You are changing it. For example, you are changing Jolanta to somebody else. So why you want to keep Jolanta as it is? You are changing her. So what does it mean? What does it mean? It means lead and opportunity is two different things. Lead uh, lead is a potential customer, right? Now potential customer, when there is a more possibility that, okay, almost further, after further research and communication, that person has shown further interest, yes, he or she will buy something from you, will do business with you, then that becomes opportunity, then you will have further close relation with that opportunity. So that potential customer has become to you very close, but if you want to keep her in lead, then there will be duplicate. So then later on, somebody else will come to CRM and will find, okay, this same person in lead and same person is opportunity. So which one is correct? Whether this person is an opportunity or is a lead. So who should I connect? Who should I talk to? Who should I communicate to? Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Any other question, Ruthira? Okay, okay. So yes, I mean, it is interesting. You will find really, really interesting and so many things to learn. And I'm trying to create lecture slides as well. Please try to go through. This is just nothing but English, okay? But if you also, I've added some pictures as well. Try to so that you can understand. But we'll go through it anyway. Lead, we have what you can see in the lead page. This is CRM session day 2, which is the last one. I've gone through everything already. The assigning part was left last time, but I shown you today. So adding activities to leads, I shown you last time. Qualifying leads in Dynamic CRM, I shown you today. That's it. So this session 2 is done. Right. So I will open session 3. Session 3 is for opportunity. Okay. So lead qualify, lead disqualify. Say example, not always lead will be qualified to opportunity. Lead sometimes disqualified. Okay, means that shown interest potentially, a person was a potential customer, but then he was not interested later on. Then what you will do, you will just click disqualify. Okay, you click here disqualify, then it will be lost, it will not move to opportunity. Okay, so then it will remove from lead list. Also it will not appear in opportunity, it will be lost. And it says here, when you will disqualify, it will ask you, is it lost, or is it cannot contact, or is it no longer interested, or is it simply cancelled? So you need to choose one of them and you can cancel. Okay, so this is what is called disqualify. Okay, then we'll talk about opportunity form view, close as. Now this is next week part would be this opportunity lead we finished. Opportunity, we'll talk about opportunity. We'll talk about full the form. Okay, what details in the form of opportunity we have. We'll talk about different views of opportunity, form views. We'll talk about how to close the opportunity as own and how to close an opportunity as lost. Okay, we'll talk about this. We'll talk about these are the fields: estimated close date, estimated revenue, status, owner, topic, potential customer, product line items, etc., etc. It will not take that much time until and unless we do something else, because we could do it today, but because we have created a new user, right, we have created a new account for Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So that is why we spend time on those. That is why it is always good to stick to the plan. Okay, because for creating user, I have another plan anyway, I have another day. Okay, so this is, I'll just show you in the beginning, but again, that's fine for today. So you see the activities you will already know, but we will create another one or two activities for opportunity next week. So yeah, so it's working with opportunities, creating new opportunities, working with process based form, automatic and analyzing the sales process, closing opportunities. So we'll see that. So yeah, so it will not take that much time. Okay, so don't worry, we will see opportunities and then uh, 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 we'll move to contact and account the following week. Okay, so but I will send you these lecture slides and video anyway today, so that you can practice. What I will suggest you today, that whatever we did today, please create a new account for Microsoft Dynamics CRM as I have shown you, and create some users as well. Okay, so that you become familiar with that. Okay, and go through leads, play around with the leads. Okay, create leads, delete lead, qualify, disqualify. Okay, do that. Okay, and that would be fine. Okay, so thank you very much for today. If you don't have any question, we will meet on Friday. Okay, thank you. Yeah, no problem, Jolanta. So as I said, try whatever we tried today, so you have to try as well at home. Okay, any question you can ask me in between, in these weekdays as well, in the evening after 9 o'clock, between 9 to 10. Yeah, otherwise we will meet on Friday. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, same to you. Bye. Bye.